I haven't even gotten to the hard stuff yet. I got to inchworms once. This is rough. Man, Banks just does not feel good right now. Wonder if I just lost the muscle memory a little bit.
Ready? Go!
There we go. A little better.
Ready? Go!
I'm honestly glad that Gravity Slider isn't a reset point anymore. It's just one less area that I constantly screw up on.
Ready? Go!
There we go. Good coaster.
Ready? Go! Ball out! Ready? Go!
Alright. Take Gravity Slider, slow and steady. Get a decent 48. That was a low bounce. No, that was higher than I thought. Glad I know to hold back, though. Nice. Good inchworms. Okay. And the runs are off.
Ready? Go!
First choke point is passed. Decent organic form. I don't want to push it right now. I've got no reason to.
Ready? Go!
Good reversible gear, too. Everything is alright.
Ready? Go!
Yo. That was a weird stepping stones, but I'm glad I was able to pick up the pace a little bit and still get a 49.
Ready? Go!
Got the exact pause frame I needed on dribbles. That's nice. Got a little wide, but honestly not the end of the world. Because it's still a huge time save of about like 4 seconds.
Ready? Go!
Not the best pace on that stage, but I took that the first bounce a little wide, so I can't complain. I know what I did wrong. I know where I can improve on that. I had to slow down a little bit more than I normally would want to. Ooh, alright. Good pace on Mad Rings.
Ready? Go!
Decent neutral flick on Cascade, too. Alright. Runs alive.
Ready? Go!
I don't kill it on pro skaters.
Ball out!
I practice this. I should know what to do.
Ready? Go!
The exact frame I like. Nice! Alright. Good pro skaters. Take those, absolutely.
Ready? Go!
Take the good slow beehive. It's about a second slower than what is
Ready?
the best pace, but again, Not risking that. Oh, unfortunate. Okay. First time loss of the run. Not huge, because world record doesn't have it, but about a 10, 12 second time loss. This is a wild Jason. Hi, Claire. My day did go well, thank you. Got some personal stuff done, hung out with family. All in all, pretty good day. Hope yours went well. I'm back at it again on my silly stuff.
Ready? Go!
Just trying to make this run work. Ooh, all right. I'm excited now. This is exciting. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. All right, I'm pause buffering. I'm gonna alt-tab out of the game and pause buffer. I don't trust myself. Nice. Okay. Okay. Good enough. We take those for right now.
Ready?
I did not want to touch that at all. I did not want to try to risk that. And there's the good arthropod setup. All right, this is an alive run. Here we go.
Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did not like that at all, but it worked. Wow. I'll read that message in a sec, Claire. I promise. I'm just really on a good pace right now. Thanks, it's good partner now. Nice. Good luck with runs in general. Thank you. Gotta love Civ 6 though. Very fun game. Alright, you know what? Play it safe. Play it safe. Just get through it. Nope. Okay. Honestly, I'm still in decent shape. I got a little scared there and played that wrong. I mean, another decent one. Okay. Oh well. 10-second time loss, but I'm not worried.
Ready?
This is still a really good pace. Like, really, really good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My favorite pause frame. Because it's maneuverable, let's go.
Hey, you guys are here today too.
Eddie! Hello, Eddie! Thank you for the raid. You're actually catching me at a really good time. I'm terrified, because I'm on good pace. And if I hit this, this has very good world record potential. This has very good world record potential! Thank you, Eddie. You gave it the perfect time. Please, please hit Ring Bridges first try. Please. Show off for the raid viewers. No shot. Oh my god. This has serious world record potential. Hold on. I'm terrified. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is a good frame. I like this one. 41 is safe. 41 is absolutely safe. Oh man, I'm so excited. Please. Please. Just don't be stupid. Come on. Okay, that was like one of the last scary strats. That was one of the last seriously scary strats. I'm excited now. Alright. Nice! Okay, long slider. Huge. Huge. I'm not gonna get the sub 30. That's a little bit upsetting to me, but you know what? Seeing this world record, I'm okay with it. What a save. Alright. Just don't screw up Teapot and this world records. Let's go. Good game. Please. Just behave. Don't do anything stupid. I did something stupid. You gotta be kidding. It's still gonna world record, but now it's like a 7-second time loss. I feel so bad. I feel so goofy. Come on. There we go. Alright. World record goes down by 10 seconds. Oh, that felt terrible. I got so nervous at the end. Oh man. Real quick, take a screenshot. Post that over in PP Posting, the Banana Mania speedrunning Discord. Goofed up Teapot losing 7 seconds. Thank you for the GGs in chat. I just feel so bad, because that's beatable still. By a lot. I didn't hit Dynamic Maze Skip, so that's 10 seconds there. I hit Ring Bridges, so that's huge time save. We got UFO Skip in here, we got Swim Dribbles in. I'm trying to think of what's missing. I think I just screwed up Teapot. Like, I think that's, I screwed up Teapot and Dynamic Maze. That's it. Grid Bridge wasn't a great entry, but still a really decent time. Wow. I've been live for 20 minutes.